Cesario Thunder Ribbon, best to begin, Miss Delicious and Audience and Crisis Skip at Hikain My Pao Special Cool Reception, Storm and alam mo na yan is the trailer. Miss Delicious takes the lead under JB Hernandez and Audience, and second is Crisis Skip, Thunder Ribbon dress back in third at Hikain in fourth, then followed by My Pao Special moving up Audience. Alam mo na yan, Cool Reception and Storm. Once again, Thunder Ribbon takes the lead by Oralenga Audience, that is Miss Delicious. Crisis Skip is racing in third at Hikain now to take fourth. Alam mo na yan in fifth, My Pao Special, Storm and Cool Reception. And it's still Miss Delicious, Thunder Ribbon at Hikain is on the outside. Crisis Skip down on the inside fourth, then followed by My Pao Special, and alam mo na yan, Miss Delicious moving up Audience, that is at Hikain. Crisis Skip down on the inside, Thunder Ribbon at Hikain takes the lead. Down on the inside is Crisis Skip. In between horses, Miss Delicious, Thunder Ribbon at Hikain by Oralenga Rehab. Crisis Skip in second, and in third, Thunder Ribbon at Hikain. Crisis Skip is on the inside. Crisis Skip once again takes the lead. Now Crisis Skip, and finally Crisis Skip second at Hikain. Thunder Ribbon, Miss Delicious, and My Pao is Special.
85471.
Crisis Skip ang ating unofficial winner dyan. Llamado